I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Be sure to watch out for this latest scam that could cost you thousands of dollars. The AARP is calling it the Do Me a Favor scam, and I want to warn you so that you don't become an innocent victim. What happens is that a hacker disguises themselves as a person the victim knows, such as a boss, could be a pastor or a friend. They send an email to the victim saying that they're super busy and they need them to purchase a gift card so that they can donate it to a charitable organization. Well, then the scammer asks the victim to take a photo of the front and the back of the gift card and promise to reimburse them as soon as they have all the information. These scammers are using gift cards because they're pretty untraceable. So as soon as you send over those photos, they can instantly steal the funds from the card and you'll never get that money back. So how can you prevent this from happening to you? Number one, take a close look at the email address. They may use an email address close to the real address of the person you know, but double check so that there isn't a letter or two off. Number two, it's a red flag if you're being rushed or told to buy this gift card since it's an urgent matter. Number three, reach out to the person who contacted you directly, call them up and make sure they sent you the email. Number four, consider using an alias email address. I show you how to do this and ways to protect yourself from other scams over at my website, cyberguy.com. Search for alias email to see my top secure email providers of the year. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.